Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday. Happy Monday. And we're August the 24th, 2020. So today we will be doing math. Some worksheets that I'm going to put on a video. And then we're going to see a video about social skills. And it has 3 questions at the end that need to be answered by Wednesday. And then we'll do a little bit of exercises, PE time. So, tell me how you all are feeling today. Are you all excited, sad, surprised, or happy? I'm sure you all are excited, right? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. The days of the week. Monday, which we are today. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So, yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Sorry. Today we're August the 24th, 2020, and it is hot outside. And it's still considered summertime. Months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Remember to stay active. Just because we need to stay home doesn't mean we cannot go outside and ride our bikes, walk your dog, use your scooter, play basketball, take a walk. Remember, we need to stay active. So today we will be doing math. Our social skill lesson is don't quit. And there'll be a short video for you to see. If you have any questions, you can contact your teacher, Ms. Castañeda, Ms. Martinez, Mr. Guzman, or myself, Ms. De La Garza. Or you can call me and I can help you in whatever I can. Thank you. Let's get started with the assignments.